This is the future. Online Com today, gentlemen, I will show you how to customize notifications and so on. At Samsung, it works on a variety of models, but this time we're going to use the ES24. For example, I will try to display notifications so that you can see how they arrive. That's WhatsApp. Let's see if it happens again. I asked my sister to send me 3 notices. That's it. So let's see how I did this customization at the age of 24, but applied several Samsung models. So I'll put it here from this little tutorial. Here and here, screen recording. Let's see how to perform this customization. The first thing is that we need to download it from Galaxy Store. I want to record the screen. Give me a good moment. We are recording the screen. We will go to the Galaxy Store. Samsung Store. In the store, we will look for an application called Good Lock. It's well written. This is the application. The first one that appears at the top of the Galaxy Store is called the Good Block. In the Good Block, you will have the download icon that I already have. Obviously, I don't have to download her. What I'm going to do is play it for you here, and you'll open an application called Good Block. Well, in Good Block, we have countless plugins that can be added to our phones to personalize in different environments. What we're going to do here, I'm going to pick someone named Edge Lighting Plus who says he'll add your personal touch to the notification and add it to Edge Lighting Plus. In Plus's ED Edge Light, I've activated it, and obviously that's why you see it in the video when I show it to you. We'll provide it to set custom style, apparently a custom style of choice. Here, what we have to do is what we want to choose. We can choose popcorn, we can choose lightning. Can we choose flowers? Nebula. In order for them to see exactly what I have, I will choose popcorn. We have a label called color. We give it color. We choose the color of the yellow popcorn we want. Less yellow, more orange bowl, and so on red. We have changed a lot, but well, they all have this idea more or less. Some things have changed a lot, some things don't. Then we'll give you advanced, and can we choose the effect of popcorn we want? Is there a snow effect? Rain effect, nebula effect. Random, just like this. Win from the heart, popcorn. And zoom and so on, or no effect. I will choose popcorn effect, which we have below. We have medium size, short period, quantity, and weak fluctuation. Then we have size and small, medium, and large. There, you can customize everything in the short, medium, and long term. Weak rotation of quantity, many, few, and very weak. Strong. Here, we give done, and our effect has been styled by keywords. This section here is interesting because it allows us to choose which notice to send based on what the notice says. For example, I can put WhatsApp on it, or I can put Sadina Hidalgo on it. For example, I can choose exactly here. According to whom I write to, when will this influence appear? Which application sends notifications? Well, I'll put WhatsApp. For example, I would add it and add a list telling me for WhatsApp that WhatsApp notifies me to send popcorn. In this case, this is not what I want. I look back, we have an option to say APP ICANN customer status. Style badge. Such a picture. It says use application icons instead of custom images. Remember, Setku's custom style. I chose a picture. If I don't want you to select one of the images, I can click here and you will select the app icon. If it is WhatsApp, many WhatsApp icons will appear instead of popcorn. If it were Facebook, not popcorn, many Facebook icons would appear, and so on. Here, we have an option that says it is only available when the screen is off. If the screen is open, I don't use that animation. If the screen is closed, it just closes and it shows me the type of animation. It also says prevent side descent, which means that when we descend, that is, when we descend, it prevents animation from appearing. Go to this menu. When we get down to this menu, it won't allow us to achieve the style or effect we want to implement. Finally, it says display on a screen. When the brightness of the screen is very low, the brightness will only increase, just to show this animation, and then we parameterized everything we activated, and we already have our custom settings. The edge line is used to lock the notification effect on the screen, here until everything. Until the video, if you like to share it, forget to subscribe.